Hello everyone. Today we'll be making spicy health chicken. I have taken 5 chicken thighs. To that I have added 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix it all well. Marinate it for half an hour. In a pan, I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the marinated chicken and let it sit for 4 minutes on one side on medium to low flame. Now flip the chicken and let it sit for another 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, increase the flame so that the gravy decreases. Now add in some more oil and let it sit for 1 minute. And there you go, spicy health chicken is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.